Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 7th standard. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is third chapter, decimals. Students, in your daily life sometimes you will find out that without whole numbers or without fractional number you will find some special other numbers. Okay, instead of these whole numbers and fractional number, we will find a decimal numbers. Do you know that decimal numbers generally how it is? So let us discuss about that. What is that decimal numbers and how the decimal points, and about that types of decimal numbers, how we are decimal places. We will discuss in this chapter. Okay. So let us start. First of all, what is that decimal numbers? Okay, students. Look at here, students. First of all, decimal means the number expressed in the decimal form are also called as decimals. That means decimals क्या होता है? जब हम decimal forms मतलब decimal point with we have to express, already have studied that in 6th standard, but once I will remind you. Okay. So look at here, students. I will write that something, that numbers you have to identify. Suppose 23. Yes, it is a whole number. But whenever we are writing 23 point like this, that means this is there is one point is there. So this is called as a decimal point. But you should say this is decimal point. This is not a whole number or this is not a fraction. So whenever we will express like this point with the numbers, that is called as a decimals or decimal numbers. Okay. So examples I have written the students. You look at here. So these numbers generally we have to find out that as usual like this. So example I have written. You should read how like you have to read that decimal numbers. Here written 23.01. So after the decimal, this is called as the decimal point. This is called as decimal point. Which one? This point is. And after this decimal number, after the decimal point, whatever that digits it will occur, that you have to read individually. One by one you have to read. Don't read 23.1. Don't read or 23.12 like that. Don't want to read. How like you want to read? You have to see. Look at here, students. What did I say? This is how we will read this number. What is that number? 857. This is whole number. After that there is one point, decimal point. This is called as a decimal point. Decimal point after the digits whatever that it will occur, that you have to read individual one by one digit you have to read. How like you will read now? 857. Read as 857 point. This you have to read point 46. Don't read 46. Don't read 46. You have to read 46. How many digits it will be occur? That you have to read individual digit like 463. Decimal point after you have to read like that. Okay. Another one you can read it. This is what is that you should say 32.135. 32.135. Don't read it. 32.135. Don't read like that. You have to read individual like that. You have to read 32.135. 135. Very important. That is after that decimal point, that digits whatever that it will occur, you have to read one digit. Okay. Now look at the students expanded form of decimals. How like you have studied that whole number expanded, like that you have to do that expanded forms. Okay. Already you know that according to that place value of that number we are doing that expanded. So what is that place value? Already you have studied that 6th standard. Once I will remind you again what is that how like you have to do. Okay. So look at here, students. Now here first of all read that questions. First what is that decimal number? So this is 7468. As usual, how like you have read that whole number like that you have to read. After the decimal you have to read individually. So 7468.208. So this how we should make it expanded. First whole number you should make this, then after you have to do. Okay. Look at how like I am doing. This is place value is 1000. So 7 into 1000. 7 into 1000. This is 4. So 4 into which place? 100 place. So 4 into 100. Plus this is 10th place. 6 into 10. Plus this is 1st place. So 8. Plus now after that you should observe that students. This is 10th place. What is that, students? 10th place. 10th. So 2 by 2 into 1 by 10. So 10th. 2 10th. So 2 into this is 1 by 10. This place value. So into plus this is 0 is there. Which place? 100th. ये 100, ये 100th. So 0 into 1 by 100 plus this is 1000th. So 8 into 1 by 1000. Okay. So now if you want to totally we can write 7000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 80 plus 2 by 10 plus this is 0 by 10, no need is 0 plus 8 by 1000. 8 by 1000. Okay, this is expanded form. Same like students, we have to do this. So look at first, read that question first. 132.123. So first of all, write out this. 100 place is there. So 1 into 100 plus 3 is there, 10th place. 3 into 10. 2 is there, 1's place. 2 into 1 plus this 1 is 10th place. So 1 into 1 by 10 plus 2 is there, 100th place. So 2 into 1 by 100 plus 3000th place. So 3 into 1 by 1000. Okay. So if you want to write this, you can write 100 plus 30 plus 2 plus 1 by 10 plus 2 by 100 plus 3 by 1000. This is our expanded form. Did you understand, students, how that expanded form? According to their place value, you have to multiply that place value and then you have to write. Okay. And after you have up to this, you have to understand already. This one you should write 1 by 10. This is 1 by 100. This is 1 by 1000. Okay. Now we study about the students. What is the decimal places? Students, very carefully observe that what is that decimal places. Now the number of decimal places is the number of digits on the right side of the decimal number. On the right side of the decimal point. Did you understand, students? The number of decimal places. एक decimal number पे कितना decimal place है? How should find out? Now we have to check that after the decimal points, how many decimal numbers are there? How many digits are there? How many numbers are there? You have to check. For example, we can say that the number of decimal places in this number, you should find out that this is after the decimal number, how many digits are there? Now 3 digits are there. 1, 2, 3. So number of decimal places is 3. Remember the students, after the decimal number, decimal points, how many digits are there? How many numbers are there? You should count. That is called as decimal numbers or decimal places. Decimal places. Next, second example you can understand. The number of decimal places in 53.08. So decimal after how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. 2 numbers are there. So hence the decimal places is 2. Okay. So now I will ask you students here what is the decimal places? 557.46. How many decimal places? Now here 2 is there. If I will ask here, this is 3 there. Here how many are there? Here also 3 there. So these are called decimal places. Did you understand? So now we will discuss about that. What is that like decimals? According to the decimals are generally 2 types we can say. That is, one is like decimals, like fraction, same like unlike decimals. What do you mean by like decimals? Now the decimals are having the same number of decimal places. Okay. What is that? Now the numbers, those who have same number of decimal places. Suppose 2 decimal numbers you have to check. We have to see there after the decimal points how many decimals are there. If both are same decimal places are there, then we can say these are the like decimals. Let us see what is that definitions. The decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Look at the example, you can understand easily. So look at the first decimal 73.12, second decimal 153.35, third 608.35. So 3 examples I have written here, friends. Look at the first point example. This is 12, 1, 2. So how many digits are there after decimal places? the decimal places is 2. Here decimal places क्या है? What is that? 2. Here how many are there? 2. So both all the three decimal numbers having the same number decimal places, that is 2. Okay, here 2 is there, here 2 is there, here 2 is there. If I will write another number here, then these are not, what is that? Like hexagon. But if only that 2 is there, 2 2 or 3 decimal places are there, same number decimal places, then we can say these are called as like decimals. Now we can go for that. What is that unlike decimals? Do you know, students? The decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. If the decimal places are different, first decimal numbers, second decimal numbers, if the decimal places is different, then that is called as unlike decimals. Look at here, students. 12.351. So here how many decimal places? 3 there. 151.35. How many decimal places are there? 2 is there. Okay. This inside the decimal places 1 is there. So the decimal places are the difference. Here observe that this decimal places is 2. This is decimal places is 2. This is decimal places is 2. So these are if the same decimal places, then that is called as a like decimals. If the different decimal places, then that is called as a unlike decimals. Did you understand, students? What is that like decimals and what is that unlike decimals? Okay, thank you all of you, friends. First of all, we learned that in this video what is the decimals. Okay, and especially already we have discussed about that what is that expanded of the decimals. Okay, next we have discussed about that what is that decimal places. Decimal places means the number of what is that decimal numbers after that decimal points. How many numbers are there after the decimal point? That is called as decimal places. Okay, and like decimal क्या होता है? What is that like decimals? Like decimals means the number of decimal places. How many are there? Means same number of decimal places after that decimal points. Okay, if the decimal numbers having the same number of decimal places, okay, that is called as like decimals. If the different number of decimal places, that is called as unlike decimals. Okay, friends, I hope you have understand about that what is that decimal places and what is that like decimals, what is that unlike decimals. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a nice day.